I'm just like any other child who grew up in the 90s in a small town in the Telugu states, where career choices were limited to either this or that. But the respect shown to the doctor who served as chief guest to our school charmed me to lean towards this path. Just imagine me now being a doctor and returning to my school as the chief guest. I always imagined that being a doctor meant cutting someone open, fixing the problem from within, and closing it up without leaving a trace. Perhaps this subconsciously made me a good surgeon I am today. Once I set my eyes on surgery, OBGYN felt like a natural choice as a woman. It just made sense. With most doctors, you reach out to them with a specific problem, get them sorted, and that might be it. But we gynecs are unique in two significant ways. Firstly, we have the privilege of sharing the most happiest phase of your life, making us part of those joyous moments. Also, you entrust us with your most intimate details, developing a deep bond and long-lasting relationship that spreads over the years. We want to be a part of every woman's journey, hence the name Stree Saga. Throughout my career, I have been validated as a skilled doctor, knowledge seeker, and a good listener. However, one thing I discovered about myself with the feedback of my patients is that my commitment to go an extra mile for their well-being, whether it's mastering skills in specific cases, refusing to give up in challenging situations, seeking external expert support, or shifting the patient to right facilities, ensuring continuous follow-up, my focus has always been on what's right for the patient. At Stree Saga, we believe in this philosophy wholeheartedly. While every institution has its own priorities and guidelines, we have just one: patient-first approach. This belief is reflected in every detail, of creating a comforting ambience complemented with soothing colors that encourages openness. Every piece of equipment, amenity, and provision is reverse engineered with patient needs in mind. So for the problems you know or might not be aware of, walk right in and make us a part of your story.